The Fisherman and His Wife. Once upon a time, there lived a poor fisherman and his wife in a small hut near the sea. Every day, the fisherman would go out with his rod and net to catch fish, while his wife stayed at home. One day, the fisherman caught a big golden fish. But to his surprise, the fish began to speak. "Dear fisherman," said the fish, "please let me go. I am not an ordinary fish. I am a magical prince. If you spare my life, I will grant you any wish you desire." The fisherman, being a kind and humble man, let the fish swim away. He didn't ask for anything in return. When he told his wife about it, she was upset. "Why didn't you ask for something? We are so poor and live in this broken hut. Go back and ask the fish for a nice cottage." The fisherman, though reluctant, went back to the sea. He called out, "Oh, magical fish, my wife has a wish." The fish appeared and said, "Go home. Your wife already has what she wishes for." Sure enough, the small hut had turned into a lovely cottage. But the wife was not satisfied for long. Soon, she wanted a castle, then a kingdom, then to be queen, then even empress. Each time, the fisherman went back to the sea, and each time the fish granted the wish. But the sea grew darker, stormier, and angrier with each request. At last, the greedy wife wanted to be as powerful as God himself. When the fisherman told this to the fish, the sea roared wildly. The fish replied, "Go home. She already has what she deserves." The fisherman returned, and to his shock, their grand palace was gone. His wife was sitting again in their old broken hut, just as before. They had lost everything because of greed. Moral of the story: be thankful for what you have. Greed can take everything away. Humility and gratitude bring real happiness.